Local coin shop. They ain't nothing like home cooking. Stay tuned. Welcome to yet another edition of the Part-Time Preppers. I thought I would show off the Apollo Gold there one last time before going deep in the bowels of the bunker. But this video is not about them. It's about your local coin shop. I've said it many times. I've been going to the same place for well over 25 years. I want to say somewhere in the mid to early 90s I started going, and definitely have built up a relationship over the years. And just to encourage you to try it. Now, there's some people, maybe their local coin shop I've seen where they comment is 2 hours away. Well, that's going to be kind of tough. But if you do have one in your area and you're new to this, and you order on the big line people, FMX, Providence, SD, whoever, still try to go to the local coin shop. Build up a relationship. Maybe the first time they're a little cold, you go in, the second, third, fourth, see how it goes. Because I have definitely thoroughly enjoyed it over the many years, and I thought I'd share one example, because I went in yesterday, just was going to look around and find out some facts about the coin show coming up in our area, and I did do that. And then I saw a box. She loves her little boxes all over the place. Commemoratives. She has marked down to $16 a piece. U.S. commemoratives from the 80s, late 80s, early 90s. And I saw a box, $15. Had to be about 30 coins in there. And I knew right off the bat, I'm sorry, the box was marked $19, if I didn't say that. So everything in the box was $19. And I see silver eagles and what have you in the box. I said, well, let me see the box. So she brought the box out. And, okay, now this you may not be too excited over. Okay, this was $19. It's a nice Philharmonic. I probably only have about 6 or 7 of them. But, over time I have admired them. They're the basic bullion coin, 1.5 euro. I like this one, has a little toning. I don't know what those initials mean. They're on. I might put this one in a capsule. It's so nice. I don't know. So nothing exciting, right? $19. You could probably get it online cheaper. But here is the magic. The magic. So, your local coin dealer. So I saw this in the box. Now I saw a graded, 2015 Maple Leaf, 69 graded. It's probably a good buy at $19. It costs more to grade it. But she treats anything 69 like it's just bullion, whether it's a silver eagle, whatever. 70, yes, she will charge a premium. But if it's 69 in a holder, she'll put it in the box with the other coins. So I saw this one laying at the bottom. I looked and I said, wait a minute, that looks a little different than the normal Queenie there. It has some age on it. I plucked it up, and to my shock and amazement, there we go, a backdated Britannia. Yeah, and one that I have admired. I like the close-up of the Britannia there. Very well done. It's a very beautiful coin. And over the years, I didn't start collecting them probably till about 2013. And I used to admire some of the older dates and some of the proofs, and I just didn't want to cough up those extra bucks. And I always meant to get something a little older, and boom, struck pay dirt, $19, a 69. Was very happy. So, our local coin shop, we have layaway, doesn't charge you anything for it. I've had coins up to 6 months. One person asked me once, they charge you extra money if silver or gold goes up, or vice versa. No, once you pay for it, you got a receipt, you pay on it. And now I don't know if she does layaways for everybody, but this coin was for anybody who walked in the store. It wasn't like, I'll give this guy a good deal. He comes here all the time. This was in a box marked $19, so you could have been a first timer there, walked in. I've gotten backdated kooks, again, raw, backdated kooks, late 90s, early 2000s. I did a video on it last year. I think I got 6 or 7 for either 19 or $20 a piece. How could you go wrong? They're all in capsules too. So some weren't the original capsules, but so every once in a while you strike pay dirt at the local coin store, at least in my experience, and there she blows. So try to develop, if you got a local coin shop, go in a few times. Ours, I'm lucky. Ours, you get free candy, cookies sometimes. Sometimes they even have coffee. Sometimes I bring my own. I sit there, I throw the bowl. There's a couple people I know pretty good in there that work there now, and I know the owner very good. So yeah, just thought I'd share this and encourage you to try out your local coin shop. Odds are, once you get there and get friendly and get to know them, you might score some good deals. So as the vacuum cleaner is running, you guys take care, and it's finally getting warmer. It is a toasty 10 degrees as we speak. So that's all I got for this little short video. And there you go. Last look. Apollo Gold. Yes, it'll be going away now. But definitely enjoyed that pickup also. Take care. Be good. Keep stacking. From the Part-Time Preppers.